Select the object that you want to move and then press G to move. Okay. And now press the shortcut Shift Z, meaning Shift Z, meaning the Z will be ignored. So you will only move in X and Y without going up and down. So let me bring it over here and then take a look, meaning it only moved in X and Y just like you would move in the top view. So this is a neat way to move it like a top view but still remaining in the perspective view. So I'll try it again, press G to move, and then I'll just press Shift Z, and I can easily move in the X or Y just to make the placement still remaining in the perspective view somewhere over here. Let's take a look. So thank you very much. I hope this was useful. So take care and bye bye.